Hey Rebels, welcome back to the channel. I'm Marisa, Master Stylist, Education Director, and founder and CEO of Rebel Hair Studio, where we create modern and customized hair with integrity and zero BS. If you're a client who likes to know the why, or a stylist who likes to know the how, then you are in the right place, my friend. Does your toner last like one wash or 2 days? So let me break down why this happens, because sometimes it happens for client reasons, sometimes it happens for stylist reasons. So I'm gonna break down both. Now I did a mini of this on my Instagram at Straza Beatdown, which I'll link below. The core of it can be a couple of different reasons. First one could be your hair porosity. What is porosity? Porosity is your hair's ability to hold water or a product like hair color. You can tell by putting your hair in a cup of water. If it floats, you have low porosity. If it sinks, you have very high porosity. If it's somewhere in the middle, that's pretty average. That's good. That's where you want to be. What happens is we put this toner in and your hair immediately spits it right out. How can we fix this? You can do treatments at home, do treatments in the salon. What those treatments will do is basically seal your cuticle a little bit more so it's not widespread open, which kind of closes it a little bit so it can contain hair color, moisture, all of the things that you need for your hair to actually hold its color and last long. Second thing is your water temperature, and this is on the client side. If you are washing your hair with hot water, then your hair color is going to fly out of your hair. How do we fix this? If you like hot showers, keep your hair up in a bun or wash your hair with cooler, lukewarm water. Another reason could be the wrong formula, and this is on the stylist side. They either formulated too light, meaning you have a level 9 hair and they put a 10 on it, that's not gonna last. Or they left it on for not enough time. They formulated with too much pigment, they saw it come up in 5 minutes, they washed it down when that toner really needed to be sitting on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, how do we fix that? First of all, your hairstylist should be going to continuing education. That's how we get better. That's how we know exactly what we're doing behind the chair. You really have to just go to the right hairstylist. Rebel Hair Studio is waiting for you. Another one is your habits. Washing in hot water is a habit. Blow drying every single day is another habit. Any amount of heat on your hair will start to eliminate that color. Keeping it wet for a long time, like wash your hair and then keep it up in either a bun or something. Having it wet for that long is not a good thing for your hair for multiple reasons. That can help your color fade a lot faster as well. How can you remedy that if you really need to heat style your hair? Use a heat protectant. This is the most important thing you can do for your hair if you're using heat. Try to extend your blowout more using either dry shampoo or kind of changing up the style. It's 5 days. Down the first day, down the second day, did a pony the third day, the fourth day, another pony, and then the next day, a bun. Some other things you can do to help your toner. Number 1, the products that your stylist recommends to you. Number 2, get something that will help aid your color. Custom take-home conditioner that has your specific color in it. We do those at Rebel. They also make some things on the market. I think L'Oreal makes one on the market that's pretty good. What I would suggest not to do is get something that has a textile dye in it. So you're gonna have to do a little research on that. One of those is Overtone. That's definitely a really popular one that I know uses textile dyes because I cannot get them out of my client's hair. So stylists, how do you keep your client's toner lasting as long as possible? Make sure you're formulating correctly. Don't over violet your toner. Make sure you're actually counteracting the tones that need to be counteracted. Leave it on for as long as it should be left on. So if your toner says 20 minutes, leave it on for 20 minutes. If you're scared, add clear or add a little bit of a lower level. For instance, if you're at a 7, add a little bit of an 8 to kind of like fill those little pieces in. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and we will see you in the next one.